KES xuanzhi64, what's it? What to do then? If xuanzhi64 is located in your documents, it might be related to one of the following. 1. Emulator software, like LD Player or Nox Player. xuanzhi64 is often linked to Android emulators such as LD Player or Nox Player. These emulators create folders to store data, configurations, or virtual machine files. 2. Potential adware or bloatware. Some emulators or software from unofficial sources may install additional files or programs, which could explain the appearance of unexpected folders. 3. Malware or unwanted software. If you did not install any emulator or software that could create this folder, it might be related to malware or adware. What you can do. 1. Check the folder contents ****. Open the folder to see if it contains files related to an emulator or unknown programs. 2. Scan for malware ***. Run a full system scan with reliable antivirus or anti-malware software like Malwarebytes or Windows Defender. 3. Check installed programs ***. Look for recently installed programs in Control Panel Programs and Features, Windows, and uninstall anything suspicious. 4. Manual deletion ***. If the folder seems unnecessary, try deleting it. However, if it reappears, it might indicate a running process related to it.